73 Types of Aeonium Varieties Pictorial Guide. Aeoniums are a unique and colorful type of succulent that is native to the Canary Islands and the eastern coast of Africa. They are known for their rosettes of leaves in shades of green, yellow, red, or purple and are a popular choice for rock gardens and succulent gardens. Aeoniums are relatively easy to care for and make great plants for both indoor and outdoor gardens. Aeonium arboreum, Aeonium izune, Aeonium appendiculatum, Aeonium aureum, Aeonium balsamiferum, Aeonium beltrani, Aeonium bravoanum, Aeonium castelloplanum, Aeonium canariense, Aeonium ciliatum, Aeonium cilifolium, Aeonium cuneatum, Aeonium Costello Pivy Ball, Aeonium David Bramwelli, Aeonium decorum. One of the most striking characteristics of aeoniums is their rosettes of leaves. These rosettes can grow quite large and be quite striking, with leaves that are often brightly colored and variegated. Some popular aeonium species include Aeonium arboreum, Aeonium decorum, Aeonium haworthii, and Aeonium sunburst. When it comes to caring for aeoniums, they are relatively easy to care for and maintain. They prefer bright, indirect light and well-draining soil with a neutral pH. Aeoniums are drought-tolerant plants, but they still require regular watering during the growing season. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. In the winter, use water sparingly. In general, aeoniums are easy to care for and make great plants for both indoor and outdoor gardens. With proper care and maintenance, aeoniums can thrive for many years. Please visit asucculent.com for the complete list.